If you're working in Tinkercad Circuits and wondering how to join wires, the good news is that Tinkercad makes this really simple. You do not need a separate join tool, and once you understand how the wiring system works, you can connect components much faster and build cleaner circuit designs. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect wires in Tinkercad, how to make a proper junction, and how to join multiple wires to the same point the right way. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Tinkercad and go into the Circuits section. This is where all of your electronic components and wiring work happens. Once your circuit is open, choose the component you want to connect, such as an LED, a resistor, a battery, or a breadboard. To start a wire, simply click on one terminal, also called a pin, of the component. As soon as you click that pin, Tinkercad will let you begin drawing a wire. Now move your mouse to the second terminal you want to connect. Click that pin, and Tinkercad will automatically create the wire between those 2 points. That's the basic way to connect wires in Tinkercad. There's no extra setup required, and you can repeat the same process for any other components in your circuit. If you need to join wires together at one point, this is where the junction or node comes in. A lot of beginners think there is a special merge button, but in Tinkercad, joining wires is handled by the wire path itself. To create a junction, first connect your initial wire to a terminal as usual. Then, click on the middle of that existing wire. This creates a bend or a node point, which gives you a place to branch from. From that node, you can click and drag another wire to a different component or terminal. This is how you split one connection into multiple paths or merge several signals into the same point. So if you're trying to connect more than 2 wires together, just use the wire's midpoint as your branching point. That's the closest thing Tinkercad has to a wire join tool, and it works very well once you get used to it. One important tip is to keep your circuit neat and organized. Try to use straight wire paths whenever possible, and make your junctions in logical places so the diagram is easy to read. If you accidentally place a wire in the wrong spot, you can click it and adjust it, or remove it and draw it again. The cleaner your wiring looks, the easier it will be to debug later when you run the simulation. Also, remember that Tinkercad visually shows connections, so if 2 wires are truly joined, they should share the same connection point or node. If something is not working, double-check that you click the correct terminal and that the wire is actually attached to the pin you intended. A small misclick can make it seem like the wire is connected when it really isn't. So, to quickly recap, click one pin to start a wire, click the second pin to finish the connection, and if you need a junction, click the middle of an existing wire and branch out from there. That's how you join wires in Tinkercad Circuits without needing any extra tools. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Tinkercad and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.